Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to personalize Windows 7 Beta. Now this is going to be a more in-depth video than my previous one. It'll show you how to get the materials and free downloads off the internet. Now the ones I'm going to be showing you today, these are safe. They are off of Microsoft.com. So go to Google and I will have the link in my description, but if you want to do it this way, Google how to personalize Windows 7 Beta. Then click the first link. Again, this will be in my description. As you can see, it's from Microsoft.com. So these are safe. You can see personalize your PC at the top. So here are the themes that are available. You have these choices: desktop backgrounds, the gadgets, and the sideshow gadgets as well. But I'll be showing you how to use the themes. Now I do want you to see my background is just the simple default. So when I open this back up, we'll just choose the butterfly. Just click download and then open it. You don't have to save it or anything. Now it will be a little slower than the backgrounds and stuff because this is a theme. It does have more. It's changing all of it, including the desktop background. And then after you click that, you'll see it might take a second, and then it'll open up pretty much every window you have along with the personalization. You can just exit out of that, and as you can see, it's just a picture of a butterfly. But they do have a bunch of these. I'll show you sunset gold and blue. And after this one, I will show you another one. And then I'm going to move on to the backgrounds. As you can see, brings up, and it actually changes all of the top is now red. Minimize, and as you can see, it's just clouds in the background. And I'll show you one more. And as you can tell, some of them take longer than others. That's just because of the color schemes and stuff that go with this. You might even run into a couple that have different fonts than the default, and this is okay. As you can see, once more you will see a change and open, and you can see another background, and the color schemes have been altered as well. So now I'm going to show you just the backgrounds. Now these are a lot easier because you can get these off of anywhere. If you wanted to go to Google Images and type in, I don't know, the sun, and you were to see a picture of the sun, this is really small picture, but you can set as background. Same concept at Microsoft.com. As you can see, it's just a picture of the sun. But in Microsoft.com, these are already in the proper format and proper size, so you don't need to worry about it. You just click download, and as you can see, it might take a little while to load because of the size of the image. But then you will just do what I did before, right click it and click set as background. It's right here. You click it, it will ask, just click yes. Then you minimize it and you can see it's perfect size to fit the desktop. Now I'll move on and I will show you the desktop gadgets. Now these are really cool to use, especially considering that you don't have as many that are, built in with your sidebar. Now you can see the Blogger Buddy, the drop to Outlook tasks. I'll show you the system monitor as an example. And you click download, it will take you here. Now this one only has 3 stars, which isn't that good, but you also have to consider what people were looking for. It may not mean that it's buggy or have any problems. You can just click open and then click run and install. Some of these will be a little faster than others, and there's a good chance it will open above all other windows. But you can just minimize, and as you can see, when you bring it back up, it goes right over it. But you can choose add a monitor, tools, monitor unlocked. There are some pretty cool options. I pre-address battery monitor. We'll add this. We'll just click add. So now you have the battery life because I'm plugged in right now. And then we'll just add the wireless network monitor as well. See, Halo 3, it's right here. You can get your information and everything, and you can choose if you want it up. The next one you can see now it's right here. Now it's right here. And you can choose additional options, reset, about, help, etc. And that's just some pretty cool things, and they have plenty more at this website. It'll be right here. You can click all categories, and it will take you to one like this. You'll see 3012 results. There are plenty of things, and you might want to check by categories because there are a lot of different things. You can see the drivers, eBay. There are a lot of cool things on here. Mini clip, table. There there are a lot of options, and you could probably find some at other websites, but this is the safest guarantee. Lastly, I'll show you the sideshow gadgets. We'll look at the picture video beta because we are on the beta version of Windows. We'll see how good this will work. Same thing, download, run. You can tell some of them they may take longer, but this might just mean, it has some cooler, more advanced features in it than some of the other ones. You might have to accept something. Now this one is taking a while, so I'll open this back up and I will show you some of the other things that you have. Now you have plenty of categories: fun games, mail, IM, multimedia, and some stuff like that. There's just so many things. We'll look at safety and security for those of you who are. Well, I didn't expect this. They don't have anything under safety and security. So we'll check the search tools. Driving directions. You could get some free directions to anywhere you want to. I'm just showing you how many options there are that are available for this, and then this is done downloading. And hopefully it'll come up eventually on the desktop. Now I'll show you under the techie, geeky, cool, the astronomy pictures, earth science. I'll show you the system health. This is just showing you how simple it is to download these kind of things. And it's really safe. I mean, you don't see my computer having any problems. Who knows? Some of them, they might ask, you may not have certain requirements. See, this one won't let you because I don't have something, but that's perfectly fine. You don't need to worry about anything. And again, if you have any additional questions, you can feel free to add me or message me. And if you have anything else you want to download, you can just go to Google and type in Personalizing Windows 7. And there are plenty of things. As you can see, Arrow Experience, how to create you can create your own themes in Windows 7 as well. This is pretty fun to do. You can choose pretty much anything. And these most likely will have downloads. Now, I do recommend you have your virus scanners turned on in case something bad does happen with this. But right here, it tells you can download the themes from where I just showed you. There are plenty of other options. And it'll have some walkthroughs for you if you have any questions. So feel free to comment and rate. Thanks for watching.